Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool. Give it to me, baby.
What's up, everybody? It's that guy Skimpy. Got my boy Big Headed Ant back here filming. Today we're gonna be making bluegill poison swingtail jigs, and we're also gonna be putting a chatter blade on one of them. All right, guys, let's get to it. So this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a wire form and a hook, and then for the skirt, you're gonna need a skirt tool here, and you're gonna need a skirt collar. And for the bluegill color, this is what I chose. This right here is called green pumpkin jelly, number 187. This is green pumpkin pepper, number 148. This one right here is called light blue crystal, number 619. This one right here is watermelon tip, number 547. And this one right here is called hog's belly, number 519. And if you notice, it's a full tab, a half tab, a full tab, and a half tab. All right, let's get to pouring. Okay, so we're gonna do a 3/8 and a half ounce. So we're gonna put our wire forms in. And if you know right where the hook eye goes, the wire form fits right there, and then that's where the hook goes. We don't have to worry about the hook just yet, because after we pour it, then we can put the hook on. All right, so we're gonna shut it. We're gonna pour. Always skim the top, make sure there's nothing on there. All right, here we go. All right, so there you go, a half ounce and a 3/8. I'm gonna be using two colors. The main color is gonna be this watermelon pepper. And then I'm gonna put black and blue flake. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit on top, so it kind of gives it a bluegill look. All right, so now it's time to paint it. I have hemostats here, and I put it right back on this part of the wire form. And I have a heat gun, and I have my powder paint. I'm gonna take my heat gun and rotate it over the heat source for about 15-20 seconds, and then I'm gonna dip it right into the powder paint and right out, kind of bang off all the excess there. And then we're gonna put it in the oven. I have an oven set at 350 degrees. We're gonna keep it in there for about 20-30 minutes. All right, so here we go. All right, we're gonna dip it right in and take it right out, kind of hit off the excess there. All right, so now that's our first color. And then now I'm gonna sprinkle some black with blue flake just right on the top. So I'm just gonna get it hot a little bit, and then I'm just gonna use my fingers to do it. I'm just gonna gently, lightly sprinkle some blue and black on top. And that's all there is. All right, so there it is. I still have to bake it, but you get the idea. We have the watermelon pepper, and then the black with blue flake on top. All right, let's put it in the oven. Okay, so now it's time to put the eyes on. I used 2-ton epoxy. I mixed it up already. And we're gonna take one of them, put a little bit of dab on each eye. Put the eye right in. There's little indents where the eyes go. Do the other one. There you have it. Okay, got them all painted up and got the eyes on there. So we're gonna wait for these eyes to dry, and then we will put some skirts on there, and we're actually gonna put a chatter blade on one of them too. All right, so here we go. We already have the skirt banded up. The jig's all painted. The eyes are all dry. And we're gonna put the jig here through the skirt band. Like so. And I'll do the other one as well. All right, so now it's time to cut them. Okay, so it's time to cut the little tabs here.
Folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool. Give it to me, baby. Baby. Yeah.
And there you have it, bluegill color, poison swingtail here. Okay, so now it's time to attach the hook onto the wire form. This is a 3/0 Gamakatsu. You just kind of put it on like that, and you just crimp it down. So it's like that. Okay, so I'm gonna put a chatter blade on this one, and since the eye, or actually the wire form is this way, I have to put two split rings on there. So I'm gonna open one up and then slide it on. All right, so I opened up the eye here. You have a chatterbait. We're also going to put the hook on here.
Folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel
Crimp it down here.
Give it to me, baby. Baby. Yeah.
You have a bluegill chatterbait and a bluegill swim jig. All right, everybody, so there you have it. The bluegill poison swingtail. It's like a swim jig. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you liked the video. Hopefully you learned something. All right, guys, that guy Skimpy. Please subscribe. Shout out to Do It Molds, Living Rubber. Shout out to C2 Castware. Shout out to Legion of Bass. And what's up to my boy Big Headed Ant back there filming. What's up? All right, guys, that guy Skimpy. Please subscribe.